I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now this right here is my first cop back in the States. All right, so this one, I got lucky. I was actually on the way from Ohio to Texas on the release date for this one. And this is one that I was really looking forward to because the original version of this shoe is one of my most sought after shoes, and I've never been able to get it. So this one I had to have, and I got lucky and I hit the button. I failed on sneakers like most people, and I got lucky. I said, man, I'm back in the States now. I can search other websites. I can go to Foot Locker. I can go to Finish Line. I can go to Shoe Palace. So I went to Shoe Palace, tried a few times, got denied. And then after a little while, I finally got through. I was able to pay. I was able to get them shipped. Everything good to go. So let's go ahead and get into it. I already started ripping a little bit, so let's actually take this tape off. All right. I'm not quite Mike Rich with these hands or anything, but get the tape off of there. And Boomer Esiason. All right. Well, can you tell? Can you tell what these are? Let's get them out of here. I actually was able to go into the mall here and see them in person. All right, so here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Go ahead and put that to the side. Boom. All right. Boom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. These are the Air Jordan 5 Retro. Colorway is white, ghost green, court purple. All right, size 14, of course. Boom. I wasn't able to get my normal discount on these things, so I had to pay that full $190. Whew, sneak peek. But let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Man, yes, sir. Left shoe first. Woo! Y'all know, if you follow my channel, y'all know Big Ralph TV is a big fan of Jordan 5s. They are my top 5 Jordan signature shoes. So, man, I wanted the original version of this shoe so bad. And when I saw that this one was releasing, I said, I got to go for those. I got to. I said before that I was probably done with Jordans for the year, but these were the exception to the rule. Man, that's some. Let me take the shoe tree up out of here. Jordan 5s always come super duper tightly laced. But let me take the shoe tree up out of here so I can feel the materials. Oh yeah, that's that good leather. That's that good leather. I hope the light isn't blocking. That's that good leather right there. It's not stiff. It's not overly stiff. It's not super soft either. But man, it's that good leather. It's that good leather. These are the alternate Bel Air 5s, if I didn't say that already. Alternate version of the Bel Air 5s. These are the white instead of that darker gray that the previous model was. Man, I think these came out pretty smooth, man. In fact, I would go as far as to say that these are just too sweet. For sure, man. For sure. Definitely got to give these the too sweet. You got your green. They're calling that ghost green. Let me change this light a little bit. Calling that ghost green Jumpman. And we'll look at the insides there, man. Look at that. I know I'm late on my review, but whatever. I'm still just as excited. I know you all who are interested in this shoe have seen white Jumpman on the inside, black insole. Have seen a lot of the reviews for these purple midsole, ghost green 2-3 with that blue. It's kind of a turquoise teal kind of color around it. Nice hit there. You got your pink shark tooth there with the, looks like some blue spackles there. Boom. And you got that ghost green on the bottom there and there. Very nice. Translucent bottom here and here. And of course you got the translucent sides there. The windows on the side. Man. Black eyelets going around. Black eyelets up here. And then this is that Nike. Let me turn the Jumpman a little bit if I can. Boom. Your Nike lace lock on the side. It's that Nike right here. If y'all can see that Nike there. And then you got your ghost green Jumpman on the purple there. Black laces. Man, these are dope, man. Black tongue. Did I mention the tongue? Black tongue with the ghost green. And I like all the colors on the inside. I really like that. This is a very dope shoe, man. Glad I was able to get this. This is my welcome back cop. This is my welcome back to the States cop right here. This is my first purchase back. So let me show you this one. Right. Shoe. Second. Now I had to grab the right boy. Right boy. Had to grab the right boy just to show you that they do come with the ghost green laces, the alternate laces there. So that's really all I want to do. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even know. Oh, there is differences. I thought it was just the laces. Hold on, let me see the. Oh man. I didn't even know that. I didn't know. That's kind of cool. I didn't even notice that they changed the colors up on around the shoe. I didn't even notice. Okay, so if you're looking at the front, I'm glad I grabbed the right boy. You're looking at the front, you got the ghost green on the left, and then you got the pink on the right shoe. All right, I didn't even notice that. Same for the back. Same for the back. Left shoe goes green, right with the pink. That's dope. That's dope. And also on the outside there, goes green on the left, pink on the right shoe. And then look at the shark teeth, as I showed you, has that pink with the blue splatterings there. You know, on the other side, you see that shark tooth. But look on the right one, it's the blue with the green. It's that blue with the green. I didn't even know. That's dope, man. That's dope. Is it? On the back too? It's on the back too. What? Look at the back, at the Air Jordan, the upside down Air Jordan. This is the left one. Air Jordan with the green there. Even the designs are a little bit different. The way that they did the designs on the inside, the color shifting of it, man. Hold on, let me see if I can pull that. Oh, this is nice. This is dope. And then you see on the left, or the right, excuse me, it's the pink. It's the pink Air Jordan. And then some of the colors and everything on the inside there are different, the location of them. That's dope, man. That's dope. That is the Jumpman different? Yeah. The Jumpman's different too. On the lace lock, it's pink. It's a pink Jumpman instead of the green. If you can see that little Jumpman there in the lace lock, it's pink instead of the green that is on the left one. All right, man, I'm thoroughly satisfied. I'm thoroughly satisfied with this purchase, man. I'm glad that I was able to cop these, spent a little bit more. Welcome back. Welcome back to America. Wow, but glad that I was able to get these. Whew. I didn't know there were so many differences, man. For that, and for that reason, for my happiness, man, these get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval. Definitely deserve that. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.